I want to show you our new Airbus 350, our business suits. Let's look. There is this suit for my jacket and for my laptop. Very comfortable because my items are always with my eyes. The second thing we have is the special suit for shoes. I may put my shoes off and take here. Yes. The third thing is a suit. I have my own mini bar inside here. I can make my lipstick over here, my cosmetics, and I may do makeup. It's a very grateful for women. Do you think so? Also, we have an automatic regulation of opening and closing the window blind. Fully flat sleep inside this cabin.
Emma, wait, let me close the door for you.
Thank you so much, Sam. And now I can watch movies on my huge touch screen inside my home. So, Sam, and in the end of the business class, we have a new option for Aeroflot, a bar, flight and bar, where visitors can enjoy the drinks. And behind the business class, we have a premium economy. It's only 24 seats over here.
Wow.
And like this. We have 264 economy seats in this aircraft, so try it.
Let me try this. Yeah, I see it's very nice and modern. You have USB touchscreen, you have power points down there. Try to recline.